you could put 7, 8, 9 with the ilexes and take these and fill in all Grand Blandies, and it's all the same thing over there.
Oh, I like that too, actually. Actually, I kind of like that. You know. I don't want it to be too.
I think we need to lay. I think, like, to me, I'm sort of worried about this area a little bit. So I think
too spare.
I think we should lay it out kind of like you. Yeah.
I like that. I actually like that. I like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What day is this on the big project?
Today is day 4.
And what have we got done so far?
Today 4? Yeah, day 4. Oh, let's see. Well, we've got a lot done.
Yeah.
We've got the decomposed granite patio in, and the walkways, and all the lawn pulled up. Oh my gosh, that was a lot.
Yeah.
The front is looking great. Now we're into placing the plants and finish placing the plants, and then they're gonna plant them.
Groovy.
Groovy. No, I don't know. I'm trying not to clog it up. He's got to lay that decomposed.